Okay guys, we're gonna play My Singing Monsters. I'm gonna show you how to breed Hyehehe or whatever you say his name. So let's get into it. I'm gonna load in right now. Okay, so here's how to breed him. This is my Singing Monsters account. So here's how to breed him. There's Hyehehe, that's what he looks like, and here's how to breed him. So first you want to do thumpies, and then you want to do pom-pom. And yeah, so we'll see if I get him first try. I don't think I'll breed because I don't have diamonds to speed it up, but that's how I breed him. Okay, yeah. So let's see. And I didn't get it. That's fine though, but bye guys. I will see you in the next video. And there's Hyehehe. And so yeah, so please subscribe and like and share and comment.